Hey fam, Deep Inspiration up here. So if you did purchase an XProtocol Xardian node, the Xardian node operation is now live, and as promised, I'm going to take you through tutorials on how you can set this up. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can deploy your node with NodeOps. Now the advantage here is that if you did purchase your node with NodeOps, you're going to get 2 months free subscription as the team promised initially. If you did not purchase your node with them as well, you can still deploy your node with them. Now what you have to do is just come to the NodeOps console. I'm going to put the link to the NodeOps console in the description section. And when you come here, just click on login, put in your email address. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. Put in the verification code and you'll be directly brought onto the console. If you did sign up with a Google account, you can basically just click sign in with Google and you'll be directly logged on onto the console with the email address that you're going to use. Now after you're logged on onto the console, just come to the node deployment option here. So what we're going to be setting up is a Xardian node, and all you have to do is to just connect your wallet that contains your Xardian node NFT. So I'm just going to click on connect wallet and I'm going to connect to my wallet. Now after you have connected your wallet, just click on fetch NFT and the console is automatically going to detect the number of NFTs that you have on account. Now as you can see here, there are different subscriptions that you can go for. The longer your subscription, the lower the monthly cost is going to be. So in this case, I'm going to go with the 6 months option, and then when you scroll down, you can put in my promo code DEPIN, and after that just click on apply. Now the good thing here as well is that, so I always mention during the node sales that when you buy your node with NodeOps, you get these node points that are basically $1 per node point. So that means that if you spend 600 euros for instance for your node, you're going to get 600 node points, and these node points you can burn them directly and use them as discount codes. So for instance, if I burn 5,000 node points, I'm going to get 20% off and stuff like that. Now after you have chosen your subscription, just click on continue to pay, and then here you'll be redirected to the payments page. So all you have to do is just fill in your contact information, your name, your email address, and you can pay with any blockchain that you want. You can pay with Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Solana, and stuff like that. So I'm going to make the payment and we're going to go to the next stage. So after you make the payment, you'll be redirected back to your Nodefolio page, and then here you can see this is the new node that we just set up with an action required. So now we're going to initiate the delegation process. Now to delegate, all you have to do is to just click on click to delegate, and then here if the console does not automatically detect your wallet, you can just click connect wallet and then connect to the wallet that contains the NFT, and afterwards all you have to do is just click on click to delegate. So everything with the delegation process takes place on base network. So here you can see that the gas fees are basically nothing. So I can basically just confirm the transaction and then we're good to go. So here you see the transaction hash. When I click on this, I see that the transaction was successful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back onto my Nodefolio page, and then here when I come back to my Nodefolio, you see that my node status has been changed to running. So technically that's all that you need to do to set up the node with NodeOps. It's extremely simplified. If you do have any questions, you can put this in the comment section, or you can also come to my Discord or the Discord server of NodeOps, and I'm there as well. I'm very happy to help you out. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.